Hey there, cool seekers. Welcome to Smart Choice, where we uncover the gadgets that make life just a little bit more awesome. Today, we're diving into something that might sound simple, but is actually a total game changer: Nugget Ice Makers. Let me tell you, not all ice is created equal. While traditional ice cubes are hard and melt quickly, Nugget Ice is a whole different experience. It's soft, chewable, and literally transforms your drinking experience. Unlike standard ice that quickly waters down your drinks, these Nugget Ice Makers create a type of ice that cools beverages faster while maintaining their flavor integrity. The FOHERE Nugget Ice Maker stands out with its incredibly transparent cleaning design. Where most ice makers have hidden tanks can accumulate grime, FOHERE provides a visible, reachable upper tank. This means you can actually see and clean every nook and cranny, something most competitors don't offer. Its 45-pound daily capacity puts it ahead of many countertop models, and the 5-minute ice production is significantly faster than many rivals in the same price range. Stepping up, the Aeitto Nugget Ice Maker truly differentiates itself with its remarkable noise reduction technology. While many ice makers sound like a small jet engine, Aeitto operates at a whisper-quiet level that won't interrupt conversations or disturb your home environment. Its 55-pound daily production is about 10 to 15 pounds more than most comparable models, making it a high-capacity option for larger families or frequent entertainers. The Gevi Household V2.0 is a game changer for those with limited kitchen space. Unlike bulky ice makers that demand significant countertop real estate, this model is specifically designed to fit under wall cabinets. Its user interface is incredibly intuitive, literally just 2 steps: fill with water and press the on-off button. The low noise level is about 50% quieter than standard ice makers, a critical advantage for open-concept living spaces. For serious home chefs and entertainers, the RAPSUAR under-counter ice maker is in a league of its own. Most home ice makers produce around 30 to 45 pounds of ice daily, but this commercial-grade machine pumps out a staggering 95 pounds. Its unique timer function allows you to customize ice thickness, something absolutely unheard of in home ice makers. Want softer ice for smoothies? Harder cubes for whiskey? This machine has you covered. The GE Profile Opal 2.0 XL isn't just an ice maker, it's a smart home integration marvel. While other brands are still figuring out basic functionality, GE has integrated voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant. Imagine telling your smart speaker to start making ice, and it happens. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to monitor ice production from your smartphone, a feature that sets it miles apart from traditional ice makers. What truly sets Nugget Ice apart is its versatility. Unlike traditional hard cubes, this type of ice is softer, chewable, and actually enhances your drinking experience. It's perfect for smoothies, cocktails, and even therapeutic uses. The compacted ice flakes cool drinks faster and retain less of that unpleasant freezer taste that often accompanies regular ice. A quick insider note for my budget-conscious viewers: the links in the description are affiliate links. By using them, you support our channel at no extra cost to you. It's a win-win. Each of these machines represents a quantum leap in home ice-making technology. They're not just appliances, they're lifestyle upgrades that transform how you enjoy cold beverages. So, which ice-making champion speaks to your needs? Are you a tech enthusiast who wants the smartest option, a home chef seeking commercial-grade performance, or someone who just wants perfectly chilled drinks? Drop a comment below and let me know.